All right, I'm gonna go through this pretty quick today. Also, guys, I'm probably gonna be missing some days next week. I'm traveling. Just want to get that out there. So anyway, looks like a pretty low volume day, and I don't see too many trades. I had to go through it pretty quickly because I got to get out of here. But I think I saw everything. I don't know if you want to go long in this correction, but yeah, I don't really see any setups that I like. But anyway, it looked like a pretty low volume day. I rolled over my futures to September because the June ones looked like there was just no volume. So anyway, in the overnight, we made this big leg up, and then you get a second entry at around 5:30 off the EMA after this big leg up. So I like that. And then we make a double top right here and go back to this bottom, which I think turned out to be the bottom of the range. Then we get a first entry, second entry off that important price level again. And I think you got to go short there. We don't make it to the bottom, and we come back to the top, and then you get a first entry, failed second entry long. I don't know if you can go short here, though. Since it didn't make it to the bottom of the range, I don't know how I would feel about that. But maybe you would have your range drawn like that. And if you did have it drawn like that, I mean, still you're going into the bottom of the range. So now that's even more of a reason not to do it. But anyway, we break out and start trending down. You get a second entry. I'm not sure if you can take that. It's just because it's a little bit away from the it's a doji, and it's a little bit, and it's kind of bullish too. Yeah, so you can't take that. Signal bar is no good, but it is a failed second entry long. But then we get a first entry, failed second entry long off this new trend line, this steeper trend line. It is a little bit away from the EMA, but it's off the trend line, so I do like it. And then we get a slight overshoot for that interruption. So yeah, we get an overshoot right here of this greater channel, this larger channel, or at least that's how I have my lows drawn. Some congestion, another overshoot, and that leads to a break. And you get this is a double top, so the count would reset. But if you're being aggressive, you could look at that as a failed second entry long. We are expecting another leg down because this trend channel just broke. And if you took that, well, you got a good entry. And you do get a lower high right here, though. I didn't even think about that. All right, so I'm going to even mark that as red because that looks like that's off this trend line. So yeah, there's another entry right there. And yeah, for the rest of the day, I don't think you can go long in any of this. So that's how I saw it. I should have my account ready to go for next week. I think I'll have some more thorough analysis and some more, just like more thought behind it. I'll be watching prices live, so that'll help, I think. But that's all I got for today. I hope everyone has a blessed weekend.